Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. Today we will discuss about the life of people living in the desert. Life in the desert is very hard due to extremely dry and hot climate. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world with 83 people per square kilometer. This population lives in small villages that are situated far apart from each other. Most of the people are nomads. They move from one place to another in search of food and water. So children, we will discuss these points. Number one, the capital of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Then languages spoken are Hindi and Rajasthani. Important town cities are Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner. The industries are textile, crops and dyes, sugar. The festivals, important festivals are Tees, Gangur, Holi, Diwali. The main occupation of the people, agriculture and animal rearing. The crops and minerals are jowar, bajra, maize, wheat. These are the crops found. And the minerals are copper, zinc and mica. The rivers, the only river as I told you, Luni, it flows through, and Chambal is also another river. The costumes, dhoti kurta, turban for men, ghagra choli and odni for women. Then animals other than camel, sheep, goat, these animals are found, the reptiles, desert scorpion, mongoose. So about all these points we will discuss in detail.
So children, as you all know, the Great Indian Desert occupies a major part of western Rajasthan, and life in the desert is very hard. People have to go from one place to another in search of food and water. They are called nomads or banjaras. Children, look at this. People move across the desert in groups with camels. This is called a caravan. Farming and animal rearing are the main occupation of the people of desert. People are employed in the mines. The mines of mica, copper, sandstone and marble are found in plenty in Rajasthan. The main crops grown in Rajasthan are jowar, bajra, maize, wheat and oilseeds. As these all crops, they need less water to grow. People domesticate goat, sheep, camel, and the other animals living in the desert are reptiles, desert scorpions, mongoose, wildcat, etc. Children, look at this. It's the famous animal fair of Rajasthan. It is called as Pushkar Fair. In this fair, animals are bought or sold. Let's talk about the important cities of Rajasthan. The capital city is Jaipur. It is known as the Pink City as most of the buildings here are pink color. Raja Jai Singh was the founder of Jaipur. The other desert cities of Rajasthan includes the Golden City Jaisalmer and the city of lakes Udaipur. The famous places of tourist attraction are Udaipur and Jaipur, Lake Palace at Udaipur, Hawa Mahal and Amar Fort at Jaipur, and cities of Jodhpur and Bikaner are well known. Children, look at this. There are many places of tourist interest in Rajasthan. Here some of are the Hawa Mahal at Jaipur, the Pushkar Fair, the Lake Palace at Udaipur, then the important forts, the village, and many more places are shown over here. Some historical cities are Kota, Alwar and Chittor. The main festivals of Rajasthan are Dussehra, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Tees and Gangur. Ghumar is the famous folk dance performed by the women on the festive occasions. Rajasthan people wear colorful clothes. The men wear dhoti kurta and a colorful turban, and the women wear ghagra choli with odni to cover their head. They love to wear bright colorful clothes with heavy jewelry. The main languages spoken in Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani. Important industries include textile, rocks and dyes, sugar, cement, glass and wooden goods, etc. Children, rocks and dyes, it's the dyeing of rug. Rug is a piece of thick material that you put on a floor. It's like a carpet. So dyeing of this is called rugs and dyes. And the handicrafts of Rajasthan are famous all over the world. Handicrafts are the useful and decorative objects made completely by hand or by using only simple tools. And in cities, people wear western dresses.